Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to remove repost on TikTok. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to open or launch your TikTok application. And then what you want to do next is to go to your profile, or you can see that at the bottom right corner. So you will see your profile, tap this one. And then next, if you want to see your reposted videos, you just have to click this arrow facing up and down here. You will see all the videos that you have reposted. And if you want to delete all of this, then you can just simply tap the video. You have to click it one by one, tap the video, and you will see there remove repost. But there is no option here that says remove it at once. So if you have tons of reposted videos and you want to remove all the videos, not just the reposted videos, but all the videos, you just have to go to settings and privacy, scroll down, and then tap this activity center. Here you will see options such as watch history, search history, and if you want to delete all of it, you just have to select all and then delete. But if your goal or if you want to delete all the reposted videos at once because you have tons of reposted videos here, what you want to do is just simply tap this three lines at the top right corner and then click this settings and privacy. Scroll down and look for report a problem. Tap this under support and about. And then here, what you want to do next is to select a topic that is related to your concern. So under topics, you can select this videos and sounds. Okay, you can tap this. And then you don't need to read all of the instructions or information. What you want to do after you tap this is to look for the option that says other. Okay, so tap other, and then once you tap this one, all you have to do is to just simply click no, and then tap need more help. Okay, and then here you just have to tell them about your feedback or your concern, your problem, such as please help me. I want to delete my reposted videos at once, or I have reposted tons of videos, like thousands of videos, and I want to delete all of it. So please help me. Attached here is the proof. So you can add picture or video here. You just have to tap this icon. And then once you're done, all you have to do is to click submit and wait for the TikTok customer service team to respond and tell you or give you some instructions on how to fix this issue. Okay, so I do really hope that this video helped you. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.